Hello, this time we're going to see how to unfollow a WhatsApp channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. In order to unfollow a WhatsApp channel, the first thing you have to do is go to your updates feed to unfollow it. But let me explain in detail how you can achieve this. First, you have to go to the updates section of your WhatsApp. In this section, you can see all the channels that you have followed and added. Tap in the channel that you want to unfollow. Once you have done that, you have to tap the vertical three-dot icon that is in the top right corner. Next, you can see different options. Here, you select Follow. The final step is to tap on the Follow button that just appeared in the confirmation pop-up window. And that's it. The channel you are following will no longer appear in the update section. Congrats! You have successfully removed a WhatsApp channel. I hope this helped you, and thanks for watching.